Hi everybody, it's Miss Duhame. I'm here to show you, my students and parents, how to access the science textbook online and also kind of a little bit of an overview of Google Classroom, which is how we're going to get there. So you start off by going to our school website, which you go to wayneschools.com, click on School, AP Terhune, and that is the tab I have open here. Then students, we will go to the tab where it says students and click Google Apps for Education. From here, students, you're going to enter your username just as you would in school. So your username and password is the same on the Chromebooks in school and at home. So I'm entering a username, password. Okay. And we're in our drive. So to access Google Classroom from this point, the easiest way would be to click on this waffle, I like to call it. If you put your cursor over it, it says Google Apps. So let's click on that. And then look, Classroom is right there. If Classroom wasn't here, you could scroll down to more and you would probably find an app, but Google recognizes that it's the most likely to be used. So we will click on Classroom. All right, so let's click on Classroom. And from this point, you will see your classes, media, math, social studies, and we're going to be going to science today. All right. So on our stream, this is where you're going to find anything that I post, an assignment, something we do in class, a video, and it's organized in such a way in order of time. So for example, this is the most recent assignment that I posted. If you scroll down, they'll get further and further away. Another way to find an assignment, if you're like, oh, Mr. Hain posted a video a while ago on, let's just say, measurement. Where would I find that? Or intro to science. I can click on a subtopic and I could see the video that I posted for that topic. Still beginning of the year, so there's not many postings for each. Anyway, let's go back. Classmates, this is a tab that you really don't need any use for. About is where you will find the science textbook online. About is also where I will put links for maybe other websites that we'll use often throughout the year, like readworks.com. All right, so let's click on My NG Connect. The best part is when you sign on to the science textbook website, it's the same exact username as your science textbook. It's the same exact username as you would sign in to Google. So again, let's just kind of do this. 6, 4, 7, 7, 8. Okay. 7, 6, 2. All right. Signing in. And remember, you have access to this book, of course, in school. You can bring it home. Sometimes we will use it in school, but let's just say there's a test coming up or you have a homework assignment and you forgot your book in school, you can just log on digital to the digital textbook. So if you click on this tab right here, you're going to see basically the table of contents. If you click on the yellow arrow, you'll see the sub-lessons. So we're in physical science right now, and so far we've done Batter Up, we've done Investigate Speed, all the way through Investigate Light, okay? For example, let's click on the sun's light. All right. This is the exact text as it is written in the book. If you want to see it full screen, you can click on this arrow. Okay, this is the best way to probably read it and to view it, in my opinion. If you want the text read to you, you could click on this button right here. If you want to watch a video, and some of these things, of course, for example, the video is obviously not available in your textbook. So this is a kind of a perk to come to the website. All right, you can click on that. And if you click the I, it will show you a caption that's most likely written in the book. All right, wrap it up. Students, I'm sure you know there are questions called Wrap It Up at the end of each lesson, and they are available here when you click on this button. So here's your Wrap It Up questions. Again, it will read them to you if you need it to. And this S has no need for you guys, all right? This is just for me. The standards that we teach by, so don't worry about that. If you click the arrow up here, you'll go right to the next page. And if you click this one, you will go back. But the best way to navigate, I would say, would be to go from here. So let's just say I'm like, oh no, I want to go to life science. Let's click on this arrow again. And we'll close out that tab. And we can click on life science. All right, I didn't mean to do that actually. This yellow. And here's all the lessons for life science. Glossary, okay, your glossary is available here. If you wanted to read a definition for you, all right, like amplitude.
Amplitude. Amplitude is the distance between the crest or trough and the middle point of a wave.
Okay, super easy. Let's see if there's anything else that would be beneficial for you. Oops. Get out of full screen. That is pretty much it. Your profiles here, the class that you're in, although that one's not correct. If you're having trouble with something, you can click on the help button. And then just make sure you always sign out. And that is it. If you need to sign back in, just make sure you click for students and it will take you back to this screen. Okay, again, this link for the website is found under the About section of our Google Classroom. I hope this video was beneficial for you. If there's anything else that I can do to make this easier to log on, please let me know. Again, when we go back to Google Classroom, I do assign assignments on here. Like here's our ReadWorks Digital that was just assigned. Students are encouraged to complete it online. It's much easier, but if not, we have hard copies. But hopefully over time, for students and parents, this will become much more comfortable to use. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.